This is the YouTube channel that Airbnb and the OTAs do not want you to know about. My name is Mark Simpson and I am the founder of a company called Boostly. I founded a company called Outsourced and I founded a company called Coblet. Every single one of these companies is designed to help short-term rental owners and operators anywhere in the world from one property to 200 plus properties figure out how they can grow their business without relying on the OTAs for their revenue. This channel is going to be focusing on business, we're going to be focusing on AI, and we're going to focus on short-term rentals and everything else in between. We're going to be doing content like this where I'm talking into the camera, but then we're going to do off-site and we're going to be going to other short-term rentals and basically giving marketing tactics and tips that you can then put into practice into your business. The Boostly YouTube channel is going to stay the same. You can go and check that out, Boostly. We're going to be having more in-depth interviews with other hosts. We're going to be talking to vendors with the podcast and everything else in between. And you can go and check out our other 1,000+ videos that we have on there. This is a new channel that I've decided to put together, more of an experimentation, more than anything else. I want to be able to do this so that you can take this advice and put it into your business and start taking action today.